Hello everyone, welcome to Guidely. This is Aditya. First of all the best from my side for your Central Bank of India credit officer interview. One of the very important interview question behind which almost every student was asking me to make a video, sir. 5C of the finance कि ये जो फाइनेंस में 5C है इनको एक्सप्लेन कर दीजिए एक बार in the detail with the example so we can explain it during the interview properly. First of all, one important information, guys. The mock interviews, mock 1, mock 2, both are going on in the Central Bank of India Credit Officer interview. If you have not joined yet, last moment also it is allowed. You can join it today, start the preparation, go with the mock and attend your interview confidently. Talking about the 5C, it is character, capacity, capital, collateral and condition. First of all, you need to learn the full form. आपको ये याद रखना है कि 5C है क्या? What these 5C are? So they are character, capital, कैरेक्टर, कैपेसिटी, कैपिटल, कोलेट्रल एंड कंडीशन. अब इनको एक्सप्लेन कर देता हूं मैं बहुत सिंपल तरीके से. कैरेक्टर क्या होता है? देयर इज अ टर्म कॉल्ड क्रेडिट अप्रेजल इन द बैंकिंग इंडस्ट्री. Mostly when you are going for the credit officer interview, they ask you what is the meaning of credit appraisal. So credit appraisal means we go through with the profile of the customer. We check the CIBIL score, previous transactions, past how many transactions this customer have done in the past, any type of credit card they used, any type of loan they borrowed in the past, and what was the repayment कि भाई ये पर्सन का रीपेमेंट कैसा था पहले. So character is based on the customer's past transaction. कस्टमर के पास्ट ट्रांजेक्शंस को असेस करना, चेक करना, सिबिल स्कोर को असेस करना, that defines the character of the customer. So if the customer with the higher CIBIL score, we will consider that this person is good in character, while financially we need to check the character. या personal character check नहीं करना है, financial character check करना है person का. So financially that person with the high credit score will be considered with the good credit, with the good character. तो character जब word आए तो आप CIBIL score याद रखो. Character, CIBIL score means assessing the CIBIL score, higher the CIBIL score, better the character. Second आ रहा है capacity. Capacity means ability to repay. So the moment capacity word comes to the mind कि capacity कैसे explain करें? Remember income or salary of that person. That what is the income generated by this person? What is the income generated by this person? What is the salary of this person? तो इस person का salary क्या है? इसका previous debt to income ratio क्या चल रहा है? पहले से कितने लोन्स हैं, करंट में इनकम कितना है. सो व्हाट विल बी द कैपेसिटी फॉर दिस पर्टिकुलर लोन? दैट इज अ पॉसिबिलिटी पर्सन हैड अ कार लोन एंड नाउ अप्लाइड फॉर होम लोन. So you need not to worry about the car loan. If the person is earning 2 lakh rupee, paying the EMI of 20,000 rupee for car loan and have capacity to pay 80,000 rupee for home loan, we will provide the loan. It means that person have capacity to pay 80,000 rupee even after holding 20,000 rupee EMI. Past EMI चल भी रहा है 20 का, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, because the person have capacity. So capacity check करने के लिए current income check करना है and that income is generated from past how many months. So usually आप observe करोगे in the bank they will ask you to provide the account statement of 1 year usually कि भाई एक साल में आप हर महीने approximately क्या generate कर रहे थे. Either you are in business or you are in the job. How much is your monthly income or monthly capacity to generate the income and to repay the loan EMI. तो पहला हो गया आपका कैरेक्टर, सेकंड हो गया कैपेसिटी. मैंने बोला कैरेक्टर में सिबिल स्कोर याद रखना, कैपेसिटी में याद रखना इनकम एंड सैलरी. थर्ड है कैपिटल इन द स्किन. Capital in the skin you can understand in both cases. I'll give you two example. One business, another one is normal home loan. So business के केस में क्या है? For example, I want to start business and the total investment in my business required is around 50 lakh rupee. My own investment from my personal saving is 20 lakh. मैंने already अपना 20 lakh लगा कर रखा है. Remaining 30 lakh rupee I am borrowing from the bank. It means if this business gets shut down, I am also going to lose my 20 lakh rupee personal. So मेरा कितना stack है इस investment में या इस particular business में, that will be called capital. In case of home loan, if I am buying a home of 1 crore rupee, and in that 1 crore rupee home 20 lakh rupee paid by me, 80 lakh rupee as a loan I am taking from the bank. मेरा डाउन पेमेंट 20 लाख था, 80 लाख रुपए मैंने अप्लाई किया हुआ है बैंक से. करेक्ट है? This property currently worth is 1 CR, which is going to increase with the time. So bank will get to know that in case I am not paying the EMI. Bank have capacity and ability to capture the collateral. बैंक क्या करेगा, प्रॉपर्टी को कैप्चर कर लेगा फ्यूचर में. बैंक कैप्चर करेगा प्रॉपर्टी को. I am going to lose 20 lakh rupee initially, then the EMI which I have paid, everything I am gonna lose. So my investment, my stake in that particular property or in that particular business will be called capital. I hope समझ में आ गया होगा आपका कैपिटल के केस में. कैपिटल मतलब आपका डाउन पेमेंट, आपका पैसा कितना लगा हुआ है वो समझिए कैपिटल है. थर्ड आता है, फोर्थ आता है कोलेट्रल. कोलेट्रल, हाइपोथिकेशन प्लेज एंड मॉर्गेज. So collateral is what? Providing loan against the collateral will always helpful, but there are few cases where the collateral is not there. Like personal loan, collateral नहीं है आपके पास. In few education loan, collateral is not there. Providing KCC, Kisan Credit Card up to 2 lakh rupee, there is no collateral. So there are loans without collateral as well, but providing loan against the collateral have more security for the bank. तो collateral तो easy है. आप लोगों ने अगर क्लासेस किए हैं मेरे, तो उसमें मैंने हाइपोथिकेशन, प्लेज, मॉर्गेज बहुत डिटेल में डिफाइन किया. दैट इज व्हाट द मीनिंग ऑफ कोलेट्रल इज. तो ये फोर्थ था. एंड फिफ्थ एंड लास्ट है आपका कंडीशन. कंडीशन दैट इज एक्सटर्नल फैक्टर्स. एक्सटर्नल फैक्टर्स मींस व्हेन द बैंक इज प्रोवाइडिंग लोन टू अ पर्टिकुलर सेक्टर, उनको देखना पड़ेगा हाउ दिस पर्टिकुलर सेक्टर इज परफॉर्मिंग, कि भाई ये सेक्टर परफॉर्म कैसा कर रहा है. लाइक during the COVID time, when the restaurant industry was not doing well, tourism industry was not doing well, at that time it was not considered as a great time for bank to provide loan to such areas. उन सेक्टर्स को लोन प्रोवाइड करने के लिए सही समय नहीं था. बैंक के लिए भी सही समय नहीं था कि उनको लोन प्रोवाइड किया जाए उस समय. क्यों? ऑलरेडी डाउनफॉल चल रहा है. Another thing, a company is under downfall, a company already downfall में है, and at that time providing loan to that. So that is called condition. Condition of company is not well. And at that time, if you are taking risk, it means you are unnecessarily increasing your credit risk while providing the loan. So वो कहलाता है आपका condition. Condition में market conditions भी depend करती हैं और world economy भी depend करता है. वो सारी चीजें depend करती हैं. Based on that, bank need to think around that while providing loan to this particular sector, not company itself. Complete sector को देखते हुए बैंक फिर लोन प्रोवाइड करे. एक एग्जांपल भी है, जैसे मान लीजिए सोलर पैनल के लिए लोन इश्यू करना है. इट इज ऑलवेज गुड व्हेन गवर्नमेंट इज प्रोवाइडिंग सब्सिडी. उस समय आप कर दो, बिकॉज मेजर अमाउंट बैंक विल रिसीव इमीडिएटली इन द फॉर्म ऑफ सब्सिडी. बड़ा अमाउंट बैंक को सब्सिडी के फॉर्म में मिल जाएगा. इफ यू वांट द पीडीएफ ऑफ दिस सेशन विल बी अवेलेबल इन दिस टेलीग्राम ग्रुप. यहां से ले लेना, पीडीएफ आपको मिल जाएगा. ठीक है. Please like the video, share with your friends. If you find that within 5 to 7 minutes I have explained you one of the very important concept, 5C of finance. Thank you for joining the session. Take care. Jai Hind. All the best.